When we plug our USB microphone into our phone, what we're looking for is a constant flickering light. That means it's working. If it's steady, that's telling us there's a fault. And if there's no light at all, it's not functioning. We've got a flickering light, so we can go ahead and open the Bat Gizmo app. And first of all, we'll have a blank sonogram. We need to hit the record icon there, and it will ask us for access to the microphone. Now, we're not actually recording yet, but we do have a live feed from the microphone. You have the frequency up the side, and you can zoom in on the axis. So you can see my voice at the bottom there, and most bats are going to be in this sort of range up here, and the pipistrels will be between 45 and 65,000 hertz. So we should see them on there on that axis. Some of the bats are higher up, and you can zoom back out on the axis to see those. Remember, when you're using the microphone, that the actual microphone is on the opposite side to the Raspberry Pi Pico computer. So you point this side at the bats or the other things that are making the ultrasound noises that you want to record. To actually make a recording, you've got two options. This button at the bottom will just make a recording, and it will go red while it's recording. And to stop it, you hit the button again. There is a maximum file length which you set in the settings. By default, it should be 15 seconds. The other record button, with the dotted line through it, actually has a trigger. So when it hears ultrasound, it will trigger, record a very short audio file, and stop itself automatically. It'll have a green light when it's off. It will have a red light when it's recording, and an amber light when it's on standby, waiting to hear something. When you've got your files, you can stop the live stream and you can view them in View Files, and you can look at the sonograms in there. But Bat Gizmo saves them to files on the phone. So if you navigate to the Files folder and go to Audio, the files that we just recorded will be in here. And from this screen, you can share them either by email, or you can connect your phone to a computer and download the files that way to get them on a computer so that you can upload them to the BTO bioacoustic pipeline or another bioacoustics project to identify the bat species that you've recorded.